Just pulled up to the job site, and it appears one of our salespeople is here. Let's check his truck. Let's check the cleanliness of this truck. As you know, we got the best equipment, newest equipment around. Number one. Not bad, not bad. Unlocked. I could easily just steal this. What else? Look at what we got in here. Tape measure. There's a mark at 3 inches for some reason. What else? Let's open up this back seat, Logan. Front's not bad. We got a water bottle. What do we got back here, Logan? Okay, it's not bad. It's not garbage. It's not garbage. See what he's got for lunch. This is dog food? That's a write-up. Oh, yeah. You know it's Danny's truck. You know it's Danny's truck when he's got his edging shovel. Sleeper for cleaning out skid tracks, though, for real. Not bad. A lot of stuff in here, though. A lot of stuff in here. Nice little build out for him. What else we got here? I don't know if this is paraphernalia or what this is, but this is a wake surfing rope. Grab one of these. Otherwise, not bad. On a scale of, out of 10, exterior's cleanly, inside's just disorganized. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. Good job, Danny. Good job.